I'm Susan. Today I'm making donuts. I've done this a long time ago. It's using canned biscuits, but I'm going to be using different toppings for this one, so I hope you'll enjoy it. So without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need a can of biscuits. This is the Southern Home style. I usually use flaky, but we'll see how this goes. And you'll need oil for frying. After you open your can, just take something and make little holes in each of the biscuits. I have a round cookie cutter, that graduates in size. But before I got those, I used just the little glass that I measure my vanilla flavoring in. It's like a shot glass size. And while I'm doing this, I'm heating my oil. It should get to be about 360 degrees Fahrenheit before you drop in your biscuits. Now drop your biscuits in your oil. I just do a few at a time and let them brown on both sides. You don't want to cook them too fast because you want them to get done on the inside. And this won't take long at all. Now while this is cooking, I'm going to make my glaze. And I just take some powdered sugar, a little bit of vanilla extract, and enough cream till I get that glaze consistency. I used about 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, but that was really too much for the 8 biscuits that I had. Now once you get your glaze done and your donuts, just drop your donut into the glaze and coat. And you can stop right here and you've got glazed donuts. And I'm going to carry this a little bit further, and I'm going to sprinkle some cinnamon sugar over the top of these 4. On Christmas morning, I made these donuts. I usually do this only on Christmas. And my oldest son said it's something about he wished he could have some cinnamon donuts. So that's what I did. I just sprinkled some cinnamon sugar over the top, and they were really good. For the chocolate glaze, you'll need 2 ounces of unsweetened chocolate, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, and 3 tablespoons of milk. In a saucepan on low heat, you want to melt your butter and your chocolate. Once your chocolate's melted, you want to remove it from the heat, add in your powdered sugar, and stir it, and you want to add in your milk. Now this is a glaze, and this ended up being thick. I didn't sift my powdered sugar, and it was probably packed down a little bit. And I could have added a little bit more milk to thin it out, but to be honest, I did not mind having the thicker icing for the top of the donut, so I just left it the way it was. Once your icing's mixed, just frost your donuts. And they were really good. My husband's favorite is chocolate donuts. Now I've also made these chocolate donuts using a ganache, and that you just dip your donut in there and it will coat it. But like I said, I like the frosting. And here they are. They were so good, and my family was pleasantly surprised because they didn't realize that I was going to make these, but I had an extra can of biscuits left from Christmas, so I needed to do something with them. So we ended up with 4 cinnamon, 4 chocolate, and I just glazed the donut holes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. And until next time, bye y'all.